What is your love language if I ask you?
My love language is हिंदी.
अच्छा.
मैं वेजिटेरियन इसलिए बना क्योंकि मेरे दादाजी ने कभी मेंशन किया था कि अगर तुम नॉन वेज खाओगे ना तो यमराज तुम्हें तेल में पका के.
What is mewing?
इट्स लाइक जॉ लाइन निकालने के लिए एक एक्सरसाइज होती है.
Do you have any career goals or something, or you want to like go on and on?
I'm just on and on and on and on and on. So I'm goes like a banjara.
Okay, Kela Poha.
Kela
I haven't
pav.
heard
Yes.
about it. What is it like?
It's like flaked rice with banana and sugar and with a bowl. I eat.
Wait a second, are you talking about Chuda Kadali?
Yes, absolutely.
Welcome to Chai Time Chatter, a podcast where we'll get to know people, their likes, their dislikes, and their perspective on various things. The first episode of our podcast, we will be getting to know our Generation Z. Yes, you heard me right, the Gen Z. From fashion to food to games to bold opinions, this generation is seeming to rule it all over. They are living life on their own terms. So let's get to know them better. So we have with us Mr. Keshav Chandra.
Oh my god damn. Please
Okay.
introduce me as Casey Snigdha.
We will keep it in mind. I will definitely keep it in mind. He is Mr. Casey, our
Not
Gen Z.
Mr. Just Casey.
He is Casey. So Casey, we have Casey with us and we will discuss his perspective on life. Okay, so Casey, correct, right? Casey.
Yes.
So no small talk, no beating around the bush. I want to know your perspective on life.
My perspective goes like straight to right side.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I'm really sorry.
Okay, yeah.
It's like
Explain.
Yes. I'm explaining that. It's like a GTA game, Grand Theft Auto. If you don't know like this, you're like seems like a boomer to me.
Okay,
So,
fine. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, go on.
So GTA game is like like free roaming around game in PlayStation and computer games. So I got my own podcast before GTA 6.
Okay, great. So we are here. We have one person who is into everything. So okay. So
Not like everything. I'm not into relationship yet.
okay, getting it. We'll get back to this also.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
So we want to know how you people think about every emotions, love, and everything. But now I'll focusing on career, man. Let's focus.
Yes.
We believe in focusing.
Yes.
Okay. So we were talking about career, है ना?
Yes.
And life. So first, because we believe career is an important aspect of life.
Absolutely.
So where do you see yourself in 5 years? If these questions you have heard before.
देखिए मैं 5 साल के बाद मैं अच्छी जिंदगी जीना चाहता हूँ.
Okay.
जिंदगी like freelancer.
Freelancer.
Yes.
Okay.
So why freelancing?
Okay. Yes. Why freelancing?
I don't want a
attracts
job.
you.
I don't want to be a job at least. Like.
But job
seeing
pays you, right?
freelancers.
Also you get
Yes,
paid,
yes,
but this
obvious.
is more of a clarity and continuity you'll have in a job
Nah, I wanna live my life like my own.
on your own terms.
Yes.
Getting it? That is what I believe this generation is into, and I respect that. We
Thank
couldn't do it. You are doing it on your own
Absolutely.
terms.
See, I am seeing my father. He's doing like 9 to 5 and see like उनके जो बाल है ना वो पक गए हैं अभी तक.
हाँ.
I don't want my hair to be like white as them.
बाल तो वैसे भी पक जाएंगे, 30 की उम्र में ही पक जाते हैं. That's a different thing.
I mean,
But yeah, obviously
Yes.
he must have worked hard.
obviously.
And not.
I respect my dad.
Yes, obviously. That's
no
a good
cap.
thing.
No cap.
Okay, Casey, nice perspective. So let me ask you, what is your daily routine like? मतलब, how do you start your day, end your day, or a week? What do you look forward to in a week or a day?
See, मैं सुबह 10 बजे उठता हूँ.
अच्छा.
10 बजे उठने के बाद ब्रश करता भी हूँ या फिर नहीं करता हूँ. I don't give a f about it.
10 बजे उठने वाला थिंग तो आई रिलेट, लोग देर से उठते हैं.
I mean, it's
ब्रश
a-
करना. Okay, I need to know a lot of things about this generation. Tell me, go on.
We don't brush our teeth.
Okay, why?
Use squash. You know, like there's a liquid thing and
Yeah.
खुला करके फेंक देना. That's an easy task.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
फिर उसके बाद कॉलेज जाना. कॉलेज जाने से पहले
हाँ.
ब्रेकफास्ट करना. ब्रेकफास्ट में it was like bread and jam, bread butter.
So what's your favorite?
My favorite is kela poha.
Okay, kela poha.
Kela
I haven't
pav.
heard
Yes.
about it. What is it like?
It's like flaked rice with banana and sugar, and with a bowl. I eat.
Wait a second. Are you talking about chuda kadali?
Yes, absolutely.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Okay,
Sorry,
fine.
guys.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I need to understand this generation. We are into this task. Okay. So tell me, when we have got into food, so what is now with these terms like this new age foods? You have almond milk, protein, carbs. What do you see in a plate? तुम्हें थाली में क्या दिखता है?
See, I'm a gym freak.
Gym freak. Good,
Yes.
good.
Not like gym freak. I work basically in my house.
Okay.
It's like
You work in your house, like
workout. So,
workout. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Work in a house means workout. Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
So 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 miles, One Punch Man, Saitama.
Okay.
So basically, it's like a anime. I followed it through an anime called
okay,
One
get
Punch
it.
Man. Like
These are new age things.
Yes,
I don't
yes,
follow. I get it. Okay.
yes. That's like basically
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
that's an animated series. Don't call it a cartoon, huh? It's not cartoon at least.
It's not cartoon.
Absolutely not. If
So
someone,
what's the problem in calling it a cartoon?
yes, let me clear it loud. Cartoon is for children.
Okay.
Anime is for adults.
Okay. Anime is for adults.
Yes.
If being an adult, I cannot like a cartoon. That's like a no thing. Okay, getting it. So this is Gen Z. So yeah, okay, we are getting to food. So tell me what your food preferences are. How do you look forward to food, like protein, carbs? ये सब बहुत सुना है मैंने आजकल.
Yes.
Almond milk, oats milk.
Yes.
These terms are very fancy to you, right? So how?
Absolutely not.
Okay, great. Then
See, as a gym freak,
okay.
I mostly consume protein in every each palate.
Okay.
Like boiled eggs. I'm a vegetarian actually.
Okay, great.
Yes, but boiled eggs.
So are you a vegetarian, as you mentioned? So are you the only vegetarian in your house, or your parents are also vegetarian?
ना मेरे जो पेरेंट्स है
हाँ.
वो एक्चुअली में नॉन वेजिटेरियन है.
अच्छा.
मैं वेजिटेरियन इसीलिए बना क्योंकि मेरे दादाजी ने कभी मेंशन किया था कि अगर तुम नॉन वेज खाओगे ना
हाँ.
तो यमराज तुम्हें तेल में पका के.
Getting it. He believes in all that. So
Absolutely. I
let's
loved
go
my
deep.
grandfather.
Okay,
I loved
that's
my-
a great thing. That I can see that you have and respect for your parents and
Absolutely.
lineage. तो जो यमराज वाला thing, तो do you believe in all these things?
See, as a Gen Zs,
हाँ.
most of the बंदे इसको बिलीव नहीं करते, बट मैं करता हूँ.
Okay.
I love my history. I love my
Oh.
ancestors.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay. Then it's
Even
a
though
good-
it's not, but I don't want to actually hurt any animal kind. That's it.
Okay.
Hands down.
Okay, that's a good
Mic
thing.
drop.
Okay, good. These are some terms we should know also. Okay, so these are exactly, we are coming to these terms. So tell me some of your Gen Z terms. कुछ नया language आजकल जो डेल्यू वाला है.
Yes.
Tell me some of these terms.
See, there is a thing called Riz. Riz, like,
Riz.
yes, it's like charisma. Making someone like seducing someone.
तो करिश्मा बोलने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? What do you
नहीं,
problem?
करिश्मा तो कपूर थी ना.
Okay,
Yes.
getting it. Okay, then
Riz.
Okay, Riz.
I never done that actually.
Okay.
Rizzing a girl.
okay,
It's like, hey, how are you?
okay.
Yes.
Or
So-
I believe I've heard out, read it somewhere. She has the Riz,
Yes.
and he has the
Riz.
Riz something.
Riz.
Okay.
Riz.
It's Riz. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Riz Wiz.
Okay. Fine.
Riz के बाद अभी looks
हाँ.
maxing. It's
Looks max in. What is that?
looks maxing. Basically, you are taking yourself in 2020th century, 21st century. Sorry.
So we are in 21st century.
Oh, I
Okay.
thought we were living in a year like where Doraemon came from, like 22nd century.
Yeah. We all grew
I'm a big
up
fan of
watching.
Doraemon, by the way.
Yes.
Old cartoon.
There we match.
Yes.
There we match. We match somewhere.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, a good thing.
Doraemon.
Okay, so any other terms?
Huh?
where-
Doraemon. Like, see the blue color. I'm Doraemon. Hey, Nobita.
That's green. Yes.
It's not green actually. It's Shan.
Acha, Doraemon. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay, getting it. Exactly the terms. So, any other terms you want to mention?
Looks maxing is my favorite because these days I am taking care of myself. Like waking up early in the morning.
You are waking up early. You said 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock is actually early.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन पूरी तरह फंसोगे।
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So this generation, 10 o'clock is early morning. Okay,
Absolutely.
fine. Okay.
And taking some cold bath. Sorry, bath, not bath.
Cold bath, I got
yes, it. It's like bath.
Cold shower. Okay.
Cold shower.
Huh.
So then like mewing.
What is mewing?
It's like jaw line निकालने के लिए एक exercise होती है. Like
हाँ, we
आपका जो
face
gym
yoga.
है.
हम उससे बोलते हैं.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Then
So you are also into that face yoga and skin
Yes.
care and everything.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Not skin, like you can see my pimples are on. So
Huh.
I'm not into
It's your
skincare.
age, it's your age, you will have
it's like
that.
puberty.
Yes. Okay, fine. So you had mentioned something about that girl. I don't want to go personal, but I want to know your viewpoint. So
Okay.
how your generation like sees love, like true love or a relationship?
There is no love actually.
Okay.
There is no love because I have like cheated many times.
You have cheated or got cheated. We were, because in our generation we were getting cheated. But you accept
I
cheating.
did
Okay, fine.
both. I did both.
Okay.
I've
Okay.
suffered through it.
Okay.
Not पहले मैंने नहीं किया था.
हाँ.
पहले एक्चुअली मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने की थी.
Okay, fine. This
उसके
is
बाद
life,
मैंने
it
बोला
happens.
कि वो कर सकते तो मैं भी क्यों नहीं.
मैं भी क्यों नहीं. Got it.
ना जाने कोई कैसी है ये जिंदगानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी.
Very nice. We have a great singer with us.
अधूरी कहानी.
But मोमेंट से रिलेट करके गाना तुम लोग कर सकते हो. I couldn't do it.
Absolutely.
We always thought we should
Yes.
do it. So that's a great thing I appreciate about it. Okay, fine. You do not believe in love this generation. That is what I had also an assumption of. So, what is your love language if I ask you?
My love language is Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Yes, मैं हिंदी में प्यार करने की बातें जो 90s में होती थी ना आपके
हाँ,
जमाने में,
हाँ,
लाइक
हाँ.
चिट्ठियां लिखना,
हाँ, हमारे जमाने में गेटिंग इट रे हमारा
Yes.
जमाना भी नहीं है. ओके फाइन.
वॉट एवर. बस चिट्ठी लिखना ना वो सिर्फ फिजिकल नहीं होता, इंस्टा पे होता है.
चिट्ठी कहाँ से लिखते हो तुम लोग? WTF लिखते हो? हाँ लिखते हो. वेयर इज दैट कॉल्ड अ चिट्ठी?
लेकिन जो प्यार है ना
हाँ.
वो सबके लिए नहीं होता.
अच्छा. हाँ.
हर कोई प्यार के काबिल नहीं होता. अगर उसको प्यार मिल जाए ना वो उसको यूज करने लगता है.
हाँ.
ऑलमोस्ट मैंने अपने लाइफ में देखा है. मोस्ट ऑफ
तुमने
द
अपने लाइफ में देख लिया. ओके.
आप ऐसे मत देखिए.
ओके फाइन. चलो.
Yes.
गो ऑन.
सो लाइक मैंने अभी तक देखा है चीट होते रहते हैं. एलिमनी वो तो बहुत बात की बात होगी. सॉरी.
वही है. You guys relating to all these things.
Yes,
Life
we-
can be beautiful also with all the hurdles
लाइफ इज
and
ब्यूटीफुल
troubles.
यार.
Yes.
लाइफ
yes.
इज ब्यूटीफुल
Yes.
सिक्ता.
yes. Do you follow news?
Yes.
Or any person or any opinion, or how do you follow news?
See, I respect everyone's opinion,
Okay.
but
That's a
not
good
in
thing.
Instagram.
Yes, that's a very good thing. At least we have one person who is not.
News channels are my memes, and my memes are news channels.
Very nicely put it out. I got it. वो तो सारा खुल के आ गया in this war. Okay,
Yes.
fine, getting it. So so you have your own podcast. You are watching YouTube. Do you follow someone, any person name? Who is your favorite?
Yes, I just found a channel called Inbox Zero करके.
Okay. Thank you. Mentioning us. Thank you.
उनका जो कंटेंट है वो बहुत बढ़िया है और मैं पता है मेरे को कि लाइक वो आगे जाकर बहुत आगे जाएंगे.
I am really appreciating your effort and चलो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में भी हमारा नाम मेंशन हो गया. थैंक यू. चलो ओके. व्हाट इज फैशन फॉर यू? आजकल के लिए फैशन क्या है? क्योंकि मुझे आई डोंट गेट एन थिंग जो हम जो पूरा फटे पुराने कपड़े फेंक देते थे, दैट्स फैशन फॉर यू.
देखिए एज पर टू मी मैं थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर से खरीदता हूँ. Like
Thrift store. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thrift store से खरीदा over baggy t-shirts. Like I'm on a full sleeve now at least.
That
But,
I get it, oversized t-shirts, baggy t-shirts,
Yes,
and yeah,
yes.
torn
But
jeans.
you know what
I like torn jeans also, but not too much of everything.
Yes.
And ना थोड़े तो कुछ.
But you know like what's my favorite?
Okay.
My favorite is gamcha.
Gamcha.
Yes.
Okay. You don't care what people think.
I really don't care what I think of myself at least.
Okay. Okay.
मैं अपने घर पे मैं हूँ.
हाँ.
पर बाहर पे केसी है. घर पे केशव चंद्र है.
घर पे केशव चंद्र है, बाहर में केसी है.
Absolutely got it.
Got it. We got it. KC, we have got it right. We have got it, KC.
Yes.
So इसी से याद आया. So like you said, you don't believe you are going to thrift stores and everything. So do you believe in brands, tags, जो आजकल उसके पीछे जा रहे हैं?
देखिए ब्रांड्स के मामले में आई डोंट थिंक ब्रांड इज ए थिंग बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई लाइक टू परचेज फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड फॉर लाइक शोकेसिंग अदर्स.
इन बच्चों के लिए हम पेड़, पानी और ये जो ग्लेशियर बचा रहे हैं. मैं तो कहता हूँ ग्लेशियर को पिघल जाने दीजिए.
Like
So you admit it. Brands are for showing off.
partially,
Yeah.
but not like fully.
Obviously some brands also give the quality, but quality के लिए तो कोई 2000 का 6000 नहीं देता है
No,
ना. तो
absolutely.
क्यों वो 4000? And people are. Because at least even I have seen my cousins and everyone who are wearing हम पहले घर के टी-शर्ट्स and everything it used to be local.
Yes.
अब उन्हें हर जगह वो नाइकी वाला लोगो चाहिए.
नहीं, ये तो-
एंड रियल वाला चाहिए.
हाँ, इसके पहले ना क्या
हाँ.
करते थे मेरी जो माँ थी वो मेरे बड़े भाई का कपड़ा मेरे को दे देती थी.
हाँ,
और ऐसा
हमारे
भी
साथ
होता
हुआ
था
है.
और ऐसा भी होता था लाइक मैं
This
जब
was
5
the norm in our generation.
यस और अभी भी होता है.
हाँ.
अभी जेन जी हो या जेन एक्स जेन अल्फा व्हाटएवर हो वो आगे भी
Mom
पीढ़ी
is
में-
always right.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
हाँ.
Mom is always. माँ ने बोला तू हैंडसम है तू है.
अच्छा, great.
That's it.
Yes.
Mic drop. खत्म.
Okay. हाँ.
Yes. और रही बात फैशन की, I would like to buy some cheap knockoffs from China.
Okay, China. Okay,
Yes.
great. तो you people चलेगा कहीं से भी. Okay, चलो.
Yes,
Shein is coming back to
at
India.
least I don't mind about fashion. Like जो मेरे को पसंद आया मैं खरीद लूँ. अच्छा ब्रांड नाइकी तो अच्छा है.
ब्रांड नाइकी तो अच्छा है. हमारे लिए कुछ ब्रांड्स होते थे, आपके लिए अलग हैं. चलो. So tell me if you any advice do you want to give to our listeners or any ज्ञान or anything, does these terms relate to you?
देखिए जो चीज है ना
हाँ.
वो एक चीज है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
अगर मैं इसे कोट करूं, जो चीज है ना वो एक चीज है. How will they understand?
Like you have to think about it. Philosophy is about thinking. It's not like just a quote. You have
Okay,
to think
fine.
about it.
Okay.
Just do it yourself. Think, Mark. Think.
Getting it. So he is
Yes.
Mr. Keshav Chandra, our own Gen Z.
KC, man. It's like KC. God
Sorry,
damn.
our KC. He is wanting us to do our homework. But it was a very nice
Thank you, Snigdha.
experience to know you,
Thank
to
you.
know about your perspective on life. आप दुनिया को कैसे देखते हो? What is your perspective on life? So I believe you will do well. Definitely you will do well. You think on
Absolutely.
your own terms. He's very confident about that. So thank you all of you keeping up, and I hope you will follow Mr. Casey also.
Like and subscribe this podcast.
Yes.
And
हमारे
see you soon with a new fresh content.
Thank you.